Hello, my name is Abdul Hamid Hassan, and this is my original post. Question number one: what did you notice? What about the play was interesting? So, the idea of adding The Simpsons into the play, I think, is interesting because this is a well known show, and to implement this into the play is was interesting to me because The Simpsons is a well known show. So, I think just the idea of that kind of would gravitate the reader to the play because I think it's something that most people will relate to. So yeah, I just think that idea was of adding The Simpsons or The Simpsons being a part of the play is I think it's interesting to me. Yeah. So question two: what values are being represented in this dramatic world? So the value of storytelling, I think, is being represented in this world. Um, I think storytelling plays a big factor in this play. And I think it's one of the big values in this play. Another value uh, is being I think the value of being with a group of people I think is also conveyed in this play. So yeah, just those two would be my two values, and two examples would be uh, in Act One where the characters are watching TV together. That'll be because that'll be the value of storytelling in my opinion because um, what they're intaking from the TV is storytelling, and that's an example. And another would be Act Two, how all the characters are actually exchanging in dialogue. And this shows the value of being with a group of people. So those are my two examples. Question number three, for this prompt, choose something. Yeah, so a word I didn't understand that I came across was the word pantomimes. So this was interesting to me when I came across this word. And I think not just for the play, but I think whenever sometimes when I don't understand a word or I hear somebody say a word, I'll go and like look it up to see what it means. So the next time I hear that word, I'll know what it means. So yeah, but once I looked up this word, this word means a dramatic entertainment. So yeah, after looking this word up, once I looked it up, it gave me a better understanding of what the text was speaking about. Uh, and the connection that exists is that there could be many words that one might not know or understand, but once you look it up, it'll expand your understanding of the play even further. So, question four, I think, what do you think Mr. Burns says about the values of theater and television? Yeah, I think Mr. Burns is saying the value of theater is extremely important, and I think it's saying television is important in terms of conveying the message of theater or giving it a platform to shine. So I think TV is kind of the platform being used for theater in a sense. So, question five: what do you think humans are compelled? Why do you think humans are compelled to tell stories? Humans are compelled to tell stories because that is a good way in expressing our thoughts and imaginations. Telling or writing a story is an art that can be mastered. People have made tons of money from storytelling. Storytelling gives the characters the ability to relate to one another. So, questions. My two questions would be: can storytelling cause a person to change their outlook? My second question would be: can a story be changed and still have the same impact on a person?